Hi, in this short video I'm going to show you how to get the most out of the Cambridge Latin course online, whether you use it with your teacher or whether you just want to use it to revise or to learn some more vocabulary or grammar. So you will have to go to the website clc.cambridgescp.com. I will put that in the comments so that you can access. And then, as you can see, you have all 5 books here. So the first thing you need to do is to find the book that you want to use. In this case, I'm going to show you with the example of book 1. So you click on book 1. There you are. Then you have all the different stages in this book. In this case, for example, imagine you are studying the perfect and the imperfect. You may want to go to stage 6. You can click on it. There you are. Now you are in stage 6. Here you have all the different stories along with the page where they are. If you click on them, this can help you revise the stories or translate the stories or do some exercises about the stories. If you click on a word, you will have at the bottom not only a translation, but also some information about the grammar. So, for example, they will tell you what case it is, whether it's singular or plural, etc. And then if you want, at the end, you can see the words that you have clicked on. It will remember them, and you can check to see if you have learned them. This is a great tool. Then you also have a vocabulary tester. You have the access to this on every unit, but from the vocabulary tester itself, you can choose what stages you want to cover in that book and whether you want to cover only the words in that stage or all the words up to that stage, which would be what I suggest. You can also choose to do multiple choice or type in. And if you're feeling particularly adventurous, you could set some time limit to make you go faster. Another great tool that you have on the website is the grammar activities. They're generally quite self-explanatory, so you just pick the one you want to try, like for example, which tense, and then it's a matter of dragging and dropping. Well, this one doesn't want to go in. I saw this one the other day. I don't know why it does that. So once you're in, it's just a matter of dragging and dropping. Yeah, like this. And then at the very end, you can check them and it will give you feedback. You can repeat them. You can do different ones. Finally, at the very bottom, you will have information on the topics that are being covered for that stage, and there is plenty of information there. So if you're interested in anything in particular, like say you want to look into slavery in antiquity or something like that, you just go there, find the topics that you want and do a bit of research. Extremely useful as well. Now, if you want to work with the paper book, but you still don't want to be going back and forth to your dictionary, you have a dictionary here that you can use online. It works like a normal dictionary. So you say, I want to know what canis means. So I click on canis and there we have it. Canis, it also gives me the accusative and it tells me that it means dog. You have a lovely button with help in case you get a bit stuck on how to use the dictionary. Now, for those of you who don't have the paper copy of the book, or you're not using this book, and so you would like to take a look at it, you can also look at the online textbooks, and you can access the web book. You just click on it, and then it's the book as to use as a textbook. With the activities are not interactive, but it's a really good way to look at to browse through the book to see if you're interested in it, or say if you've forgotten it. You don't have any excuses not to do your homework anymore. Okay, I hope this helps. If you have any questions about how to use